we're going to do in this lab practice is discuss how to do a temperature rise on a furnace. This gas furnace is designed to operate within a certain temperature range, and anytime above that or below that is signaling that there is an issue and a problem with the furnace. A very high temperature rise indicates that the furnace is overheating, which can be caused from like a blocked filter or registers or dampers or returns, which is in a closed position. And if that happened, it could cause the furnace to overheat. So at this point, we are going to be reading the discharge air temperature, and also we have a probe in the return air duct. And we are reading the temperature difference between the two. That temperature difference is considered the temperature rise. So the first temperature we're going to read will be our discharge air temperature, where we're going to be sensing the temperature of the temperature increasing in our supply duct. Because this is an upflow furnace, the temperature we're reading here is actually reading the temperature which is going into the supply ducts. We see that it's increasing from the start temperature of 69 degrees and is already increased over 20 degrees. The return air temperature is reading 68.6 degrees. And we can read a temperature difference between the two, where we are looking at the temperature difference between the supply and the return. Thus far, we have approximately about 26 degrees in temperature rise. And as a technician, what we do, we'll let it run until the temperature is stabilized in the temperature difference and the temperature rise, so we can record that to see if it's operating in the safe conditions. All manufacturers will have stated on their nomenclature in the tag on the inside of the furnace, which will give you the temperature rise in a range that is safe to operate the furnace. Thus far, this is 30 degrees, and it's still